Hi and welcome to another episode of Marka. Finally made it out again after staying inside for quite some while. We've been on a trip to Germany for 2 weeks to visit my family, and apparently I haven't been out that much since I've been in Dresler. If you haven't seen that yet, if you haven't seen some of the episodes yet, not all is out yet, check it out up here. I can't hold my camera with one arm. And yeah, you can check out that. And today, I want to make photos of the fall in Norway. Because when we came back, it suddenly was a lot colder, a lot more rain, a lot of grey clouds, and that's basically start of fall in Norway. And I promised myself to not completely miss that season this year again. So that's me trying to get some photos of fall today. You see it that... You see maybe in the back? No, you don't really see it here. A lot of the trees already lost their leaves. And that's kind of normal. You just have maybe one good week when the trees are really changing the color. And then it needs just one strong windy day and a lot falls down. But still, there's a lot of vibrant orange and really fresh yellow that I want to get on picture today and maybe do some other things today. I didn't really pack anything special. I just thought like today is the day we're gonna leave the house. It was raining when I went out. Now it's not raining anymore, so perfect. And I don't really have thought about the lenses I have with me. I have not really thought if I have enough battery life, but we're gonna see if it works out. And then we just go further into the forest and I hope for some nice reflections or just some vibrant colors. Welcome back. You can't really see it right now, but you can hear it. All these dry creeks and small rivers, they are now full of water. But it's just refreshing to be out. Will be a bit complicated. Did you hear that? That's actually a woodpecker. I don't know which one though. I think I maybe have to go by hand and get closer, to get closer even. I don't really have much choice. But then I have to change my settings a bit because I can't hold a half a second shot in my hand steady. That's not gonna work. If you have problems getting a shot steady or in the dark, there are more of those. I found actually some better ones maybe. They shine quite a lot. Then just underexpose the photo a bit because that's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. We really like these small details, but let's see what we have over there. Because here we have a lot of small droplets on the leaves, but it only makes sense if I make the photo from this direction, because that's how the light shines on them a bit more. looks a bit like I chose the wrong lake. It's super green over there, while around me, or I chose maybe the wrong side of the lake. But there's another lake. I guess I turn around and go to the other lake, because apparently I don't have a long lens with me, so I can't really take details of the other side of the lake, which is far away, where it's colored, and over there it's just green. Well, this is nice, but it's nearly brown now. Starts to get worse colors. Discriminating. But isn't fall beautiful? I can't hold the camera anymore. Ah! I went a bit back and around, came nearly to the other lake, but what you can see already, it's getting darker. But I mean, we have long exposure, so who cares? But it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's already getting kind of, not twilight, but if it's like clouds, it gets super fast, super dark. Look at that beautiful thing. You can see this giant pool of water which is on the way. So since the trees are all around, it's really protected and flat and gives a nice reflection. I don't even know if I get over there with the boots that I have on today. But I will try after I took a photo, because I don't want to interrupt the perfect mirror we have here. And I will just try the 24-70 because that's apparently everything that I have with me besides this one. So I go now. So what I'm doing is basically take a photo of the reflection itself, of the trees, and I will take a photo through the water and maybe see if I will use that afterwards, but I'm not completely sure of. There's another way. So apparently this episode is kind of over because I can't get where I want. The river overswept the way here and it's going in the same small valley. So there's no other way I can actually go there. and we have to live with the photos that I took. I hope you enjoyed them. Hope you enjoyed the fall colors here in Norway. It's over fast, and since it's raining so much, if the temperature drop, we maybe get a lot of snow. And I would look forward to that. I will take this kind of an end of this season of Maka as spring and mostly summer. And I will think about the concept, and you can write me your comments, your thoughts down below. How I should go on with it. I'm just thinking about the concept and which direction I will go with it. If it's just like we go out, we look at something. I don't really want to directly teach anything. I think that's always a bit weird, at least in my case. So I will just try to go out, take photos, talk about what I think is interesting, and that should be the format. So if you like the photos, if you like the video, if you liked anything about this, push the like button, give me a subscribe and ring the bell. I heard that actually helps to have a real subscription and see that some new videos coming. I guess that's all, and thank you so much for watching. Tune in for whatever other video I come up with. I'm really glad if you do so and if you engage with me. And I guess we see each other then. Have a great week and have a great fall, actually. Have a great fall. Bye.